Took a perfect photo but wish you were wearing a different color jeans? Or just want to give it a creative touch? In this video guide, we will tell you how to change the color of something in a picture in 2 simple ways using PhotoWorks, an AI-powered photo editor. Let's begin with the first option, which is suitable for editing a photo with a contrast color. Open your picture in PhotoWorks. While on the Enhancement tab, switch to the Colors tab. Find the object color you want to replace in the list and drag the slider to the left or to the right to choose a new one. If you want to change the intensity of the color, switch to the Saturation tab and drag the slider to the left to make it completely desaturated, or to the right to make it vibrant. If you want to brighten the color, use the Luminance tab. Hover over the color and drag the slider to the left to make it darker or to the right to make it lighter. When you're satisfied with the edit, hit the Show Original button to see the result. If you want to recolor a particular object, but your photo contains similar colors and their shades, go with the second option. Switch to the Retouch tab and choose Adjustment Brush. Zoom in on the photo. Adjust the brush size, feather, and opacity. Accurately paint over the object you want to recolor. Drag the hue slider to change the color of the hat. Tweak its clarity, saturation, temp, and tint to reach a more natural-looking result. Click Apply and the Before and After button to compare the result with the original picture. Now you know how to change a color in a photo. Download PhotoWorks and change colors on your pictures in a GIF.